Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another daily Forex forecast video for you guys, where I find best of the best pairs to trade so that we can get the highest winning percentage. As you can see, this is my live free Telegram group where I share my live account trades in advance so that you guys can also take the benefit. I post my charts right when I take the trade in my live account so that you guys can also enter, and I give detailed analysis of why I am entering a certain trade and where will I exit. So you guys must join this Telegram group. It's absolutely free for you guys and you can grow your account with me. So before I start today's analysis video, I would like you to please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon. And I love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. So let's start today's video by analyzing what we have. Now, as you can see, we have lots of pairs to trade for tomorrow, and I'll find best of the best pairs from it. So my secret market scanner has identified so many pairs for us today. So let's see and start with EURUSD sell first. As I told you in my previous video, EURUSD is trading around the support area. So currently it is around support area, but the previous day bar is heavily closed, and most likely this thing can make new lows. And once it breaks this area, we can once it breaks this area, I will look into this pair in the New York session. If I find any pattern, I'll update you guys in my Telegram group. So for right now, I'll ignore this pair. The next is pound dollar. Pound dollar looks great. The previous day bar is also good, and it's trading almost below this area, but I'll have to wait till the New York market again, because this thing might turn towards the upside, but most likely, as I said in my previous video, it's gonna break this 1.30 psychological level. So once it breaks this area, we have way more down in pound, so it has a lot of room to go down. So I will again look for any pattern or something like that in the shorter time frame, like 1 hour or 15 minutes in the New York time, and if I find anything, I will definitely trade this pair. So I'll put this pair in my radar, so you guys can also put this pair in your radar to trade for tomorrow. The next is USD Yen. Previous day bar is kind of a hanging man at the resistance and at the top of the trend, so I'll ignore this pair. USDCAD is trading around 200 moving average, and I don't like to trade when the price is hovering around the 200 moving average. This thing can do this when the price is around the 200 moving average. Price can do anything. It can either go up or down, so it is in the no man's land, so I'll ignore this pair. The next is Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is also trading at the resistance area, so I'll definitely ignore this pair. We'll have to find best of the best pairs to trade, so I'm gonna ignore this. The next is EURAUD. Closed heavily down, and overall trend is also down, but I can see a kind of head and shoulder pattern. This is head and these are the shoulders. So I'll go to the lower time frame, the New York session, and if I find any pattern, I will consider a trade in it. Otherwise, I'm not going to trade this pair. So I'll put EURAUD in my radar too. If I find any pattern, it can be a risky trade, but if I find any pattern, I'll definitely take this trade. The next is New Zealand Yen buy. Let's see. Again, the price is trading around the resistance area, and this is the overall trend, and we are at the top of the trend. As you can see, we got a rejection from here, and price retested this zone, and it's again now testing this area, so we are at the resistance area, so I'll ignore this pair. The next is the Aussie New Zealand. As I said in my previous videos, Aussie New Zealand tends to reverse when it reaches the resistance area, and currently it did exactly what I said in my previous videos. So again, it is at around the resistance area, so I'll ignore this pair. next is Aussie Cad. Aussie Cad again is trading around the resistance area, but what I can see here is the price went up, broke this area, and now it's most likely creating a support zone here. So I can put this pair in my radar, and if I find any pattern or something like that in the New York time, I will consider this pair to trade. So I'll put Aussie Cad also in my radar. We have pound dollar, EURUSD, and Aussie Cad currently in our radar for tomorrow's trade, for tomorrow's trading session. The next is EUROCHF. Today I took a sell trade in the EUROCHF and I made a decent profit, and most of the members also took this trade with me. So again, market is saying to sell, but I am very cautious around these areas, because as you know that EUROCHF is very close to the parity level, and these are the levels where central banks can intervene anytime. If I share with you the monthly chart of this EUROCHF, as you can see, the price is trading around the support zone, so I'll definitely ignore this pair for tomorrow. And the next is gold. Is most likely to resume its uptrend. As I said in my previous video, that if the price will break this area, the gold will continue towards the upside. So I'll watch this pair in the New York time frame, and I'll definitely consider a buy in it, because the price has closed above this area. And if you know that there is a Russia and Ukraine war going on, so this thing might affect on gold prices, and most likely the gold can continue towards the upside. So I'll definitely look into the gold in the New York time frame. If I find any pattern, I will consider a buy in it. The next is US 30 sell, which is Dow Jones Index. Again, the US 30 index is trading around the 200 moving average area, so I'll ignore this pair because the price can do anything. So I'll definitely ignore this pair. And the last one is the silver. The symbol for silver is XAGUSD. As I said in my previous videos, that silver is trending up, and it did exactly what I said. The price reversed from those areas, and it's now currently trading in the upward momentum, and most likely it's gonna continue towards the upside. As I'll also put this pair in radar for tomorrow's market session. If I find any pattern or something like that, I will definitely consider a buy in it. So we have got gold, silver, pound dollar, and Aussie Cad as a potential pair to trade for tomorrow's market session, and also EURUSD if it breaks towards the downside. So we have around 5 pairs to trade for tomorrow. So do join my Telegram group if you want to know which trade I will take tomorrow. So you must join my Telegram group. You can find the link in the description. It's absolutely free. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the analysis. If you have liked my analysis, please smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice trading day. Bye bye.